Stop using antibiotics in your poultry, or you might be destroying your farm without even knowing it. Most farmers are making this mistake right now. Welcome to Farm and Feed Academy, where we make animal production simple and practical. For years, antibiotics have been used in poultry farming to treat diseases, to prevent infections, and even to make chickens grow faster. And yes, it worked. Many farmers depended on it to keep their birds alive and productive. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. Overusing antibiotics comes with serious consequences, as in side effects. Over time, birds develop resistance. The drugs stop working. There can also be drug residues in meat and eggs, which can affect human health. As humans can also develop resistance, and when antibiotics fail, you can lose your entire flock. So what if you could raise healthy chickens without depending on antibiotics? There is a better way. They are called phytobiotics. Phytobiotics are natural, plant-based additives used to improve animal health and performance. They come from plants and herbs that have powerful natural properties. Common examples include garlic, ginger, turmeric, oregano, and neem. These plants contain natural compounds that fight harmful bacteria, boost immunity, and all also improves feed digestion. Unlike antibiotics, phytobiotics do not force growth. They support the animal's natural system, helping it to function well as it is supposed to. They help chickens build stronger immunity, digest feed more efficiently, grow naturally, and stay healthier without the use of chemicals. Antibiotics may give quick results, but they come with long-term risks. Phytobiotics may work more gradually, but they are safer and more sustainable. And in modern farming, sustainability matters. Farmers who use phytobiotics often experience lower mortality rates, better feed efficiency, healthier meat and eggs, and reduced long-term costs. Now let's talk about one of the most effective phytobiotics you can use in poultry, neem. Neem is a plant with natural antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It can improve immunity of chickens and help prevent infections without the need for antibiotics. Here's how you can use it safely on your farm. Step 1. Harvesting. Collect fresh neem leaves from healthy neem trees. Make sure the leaves are green and free from any pesticides or contamination. Step 2. Drying. Weigh the leaves and spread them in a clean, shaded area for 3 to 5 days. Avoid direct sunlight because it can reduce the potency of the active compounds. Reweigh and leave it for another 3 days. If the weight stays constant, it is completely dried, and if not, do it again. Step 3. Grinding. Once it is completely dried, grind the neem leaves into a fine powder. You can use a mortar and pestle, an electric grinder, or even a feed mill. The powder should be consistent and free of large chunks. Step 4. Inclusion in feed. As feed additive, mix 2 to 5% of neem leaf powder with the regular feed. Start with 2% for young birds and gradually increase if necessary. As water additive, you can also make a neem leaf decoction by boiling the powder in water, cooling it, and adding it to the drinking water for short periods, no more than 5 to 7 days at a time. Step 5. Monitoring. Observe your birds for any changes in appetite, activity, or droppings. Neem is generally safe, but always monitor for any unusual reactions. By including neem in feed or water, you can reduce the risk of common infections, improve immunity naturally, maintain healthy growth and egg production, reduce dependency on antibiotics. Neem is a powerful, natural tool for sustainable poultry farming, and it's easy to incorporate into your daily farm routine. Other alternatives include neem bark, mango leaves and barks, and cloves. These can be processed in the same manner as neem leaves. Meanwhile, the excessive inclusion of neem leaves and bark into poultry feed can reduce feed intake due to their taste. So you must follow the inclusion level recommended. A recommended inclusion level, according to a researcher, is 10 grams of neem per kilogram of feed. But remember, phytobiotics are not magic. They cannot replace good management. You still need proper hygiene, quality feed, and good housing conditions. The future of poultry farming is changing, and smart farmers are already adapting. This is Farm and Feed Academy, animal production made easy.